Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you the very easy jute and wood ashes fire roll. Any wood ashes will work. Whatever you have in the fireplace, in the fire pit, in the hobo stove, all those ashes will work. This is some jute that I got from Home Depot. It is ever built, and let's just get about 10 inches of it. And my right hand is twisting counterclockwise. That way I can get a hold of these 3 cords, separate them out. And now my right hand is twisting clockwise, which unwinds those fibers, and we could take this apart. You have to master the cotton and wood ashes fire roll first before you try the more advanced ones like this. All right, just going to roll the fiber into a tube, flatten it out on the table, put about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ashes on that. And you need a little ash on your rolling surfaces. If you put some ash on the bottom board, this table, it'll get on the fire roll and it'll transfer to the top board, and that will give you enough grip to drive that roll. Usually on this jute, it takes about 40 rolls. Cotton usually takes about 20 rolls. Tighten it up with your hand. Tighten it up with the board some more. Then go for it. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. Loblolly pine needles. Blow it into flames. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.